I'm in beautiful New York. I just got off the plane and now it's time to wash my face. Come with me. So my favorite part of the day is actually taking my makeup off, and I always start with a makeup remover wipe. It's actually a German brand, but it's my favorite. I remove my eye makeup first. I've been using this product for like 10 years and I think it's more for like girls than for women. But it's the best product I've ever found because it actually removes all your makeup and it's very gentle to the skin. I never ever sleep with my makeup on. Like even if I go out and I'm like, you know, when you get like drunk and you're like really tired, but I always take it off no matter how tired I am or where I am. Next step is a rinse off by Chanel. I've been using this one for years. I really like it because it's a mousse, so you put it on your skin and it gets foamy. After rubbing it in the skin, I rinse it off. And now I put on lotion, which is super important because otherwise I would wake up with like very dry skin, especially after washing it. I feel like it gets a little bit more dry. So the first product I'm gonna use to hydrate my skin is a serum by 111. I just put it as a base and the skin already feels way better after putting this on. And since you sleep for like, I don't know, 6 to 8 hours, I like to put one night lotion, the face cream by BAZAAR Storm, which is my go-to brand for skincare. What I love about BAZAAR Storm, it seems very natural, and it is actually because you can look up the ingredients and they're all very natural. Okay, so my last product is the 8-Hour Lip Cream by Elizabeth Arden. It's by far my favorite and the only lip product that I've been using. It does a very good job of hydrating, but also for this, when I wake up, it's gone because I feel like my skin and lips get very dry. So this is it. I'm very shiny right now, but like I said, it's necessarily in my case, and I will wake up with like a very fresh look. Good night!